Reaper, I have a strong contact bearing 0 Noliro. The signature matches a large aircraft.
You're certain of the depth reading, operator?
The wreckage of the Chengdu J-7, nearly intact. This changes everything we knew about the incident.
Complete on Section 4. Meter shows optimal load.
Roger that. Proceed to the next hard point.
Point 2 secured.
Confirmed, diver. Preparing to take the weight. We've got instability on the main strut. Deploying auxiliary supports.
Supports engaged. Tension holding.
Tighten that side.
It's moving too much.
We have to secure it before the next wave hits. Okay, move down to the starboard wing now. Copy that, heading there.
Assassin phase is complete. Assassin.
Stress fracture on the rear spar is critical.
Yes, the displacement metrics confirm it. We'll need the reinforced composite patch.
Careful with this pound here.
Okay, the navigation unit is free.
I have the measurements. It's heavily corroded at the base connector. Check the rivet line just below the intake. I'm seeing some pitting here.
Copy that. Zooming in now.
The thermal readout on joint 7 is fluctuating.
It's within tolerance. Proceed with the next phase.
第7片叶片上的母伞。
是我看到硬玉错环，请顾录下取发位诊。
Look at the pressure readings.
Stable burn. Nominal data across the board.
Alignment confirmed. Laser scan shows 0 deviation. We are good to proceed.
Slow descent, minimal thrust. Alignment confirmed, we are seated. Laser grid reports green. Good work, team.
Sequence start.
Locked and secure.
Good.
Clear on the left side. Bring it down 50 millimeters. We have alignment. Go ahead and secure.
The fuselage alignment is perfect.
Absolutely. The surface prep is flawless. We are ready for the next phase.
The auxiliary power readings are normalizing now.
Confirmed. All systems show green. Calibration complete.
Fuel pressure nominal. Hydraulics check complete.
Roger that. All systems green. Ready for taxi.